Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to import contacts from Gmail to Android. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Contacts app on your Android phone and check if you have the Google Contacts app installed. If you already have it, you can simply go into the app settings and enable syncing to import your Gmail contacts automatically. If you do not have the Google Contacts app, follow these steps. Open your device settings and scroll down to Google Accounts. Tap on Google Accounts and select the Gmail account that contains the contacts you want to import. Once you're in your Google account settings, go to the Services tab. Scroll down until you find Google Contacts Sync. Tap on it to open the sync options. Here, you'll see the sync status for your contact. If it's not synced, tap the status option at the top and enable sync. This will start importing all your Gmail contacts to your Android phone. After the sync is complete, open the Contacts app again and you should see all your Gmail contacts available on your device. So that's basically how you can import contacts from Gmail to Android. That's it for this video. Thanks.